What's up, guys? Welcome to MVP Media. I did not have time to get dressed. I was working this morning. The bell rang, and I know that FedEx came to my house, and I got something very new that just got sent to me. You guys want to know what this thing is? Being me at MVP Media, I love RGB lighting, and this is the latest thing from Shenzhen Young Technology Company Limited. It is kind of like a lightsaber stick, but it is not just one color. It is 12 million color, or I would just say 64 colors, RGB lightsaber stick style. Now, I've had a few of these before, like Falcon IF7, the Boeing P1. Those are nice. They go on top of your camera, but for me, I like to light paint cars, and this is perfect for car light painting. It's not even out in the market yet at the time that I'm talking about this, so I'm just gonna unwrap it. I'm excited as fuck, and I'm gonna show you guys what is in the box. So, ha. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Huh? In the box, in the motherfucking box. Oh my God, are y'all ready for this shit? Are y'all fucking, oh my God, look at this, guys. Look at this, can you guys see this? Oh man. Luxceo, thank you. Amanda, I got a friend that works in that factory because at MVP Media, we do MVP Ambient as well, and we have a lot of good connection in China. So I was capable of getting this sent to me. It is not sponsored. I basically just got it on half price, but if you guys want these, I'll link the link down below on where you can get them. You know, every time you buy something like this, your boy get a little commission to keep your YouTube channel going. So like, subscribe, let me grow my shit, and let me bring you more cool stuff. Babe, oh, comes with a nice little premium bag. Luxceo right here, guys. You guys want to see what's in the bag now? Oh, there's two pouches. There's two sides. I only ordered one. Oh my God, this feels premium as shit. Comes with a little soft box already. You guys can see this. It says Luxceo on the bottom. The back side, no. The back sides come with a 10,000 milliamp freaking battery. That is freaking nuts, man. I'm gonna be able to light up this thing forever. And it also comes with a charger. You can just, oh, guys, the charger, the booty, I think you just stick that in. And there's a lock in the back. Boom. You can plug this into, it's a USB. You can plug this into our USB shard. It also comes with a little, you know, battery charger, your iPhone. I'm not sure if this is fast charging or not. I'll let you guys know in a minute. It is just a normal charger, 50 to 60 hertz charger. You know what, guys? I might have a battery bank around here, so I might be able to power this thing up. Let's see. Or, why don't we try it with this battery first? This thing feels premium. It's got a little lock. Holy shit, this thing is, look at my arm. It's a little bit longer than my arm. Like, shoot. All right, are you guys ready for the moment of clarity? So I guess that's manual. All right, so we got the menu. It is Bluetooth, so I'm guessing that you can download an app. Somewhere in here it'll be on the menu, it'll be like a QR code. You can download the app. That is bright, man. Oh, my girl is reading it now. Okay, we don't know how to put it on the RGB or the flashing light mode yet. When you first turn it on, it says Luxceo. Now it's at 65,000 Kelvin. Let's see how high it can go to. The battery is only 5%. Lowest Kelvin is 2500 Kelvin. The highest is 65,000. Now, if I go with a warmer light, looking all Asian glow. You can also increase the brightness to 100%. Ooh, the brightness is nice here. This is crazy. Okay, we'll go to menu, CCT. I wonder if you just have to press it. You press it twice, guys, and it changes to ta-da, your little mode. Okay, so my brightness is at 100%. It's got hue and saturation. I'm gonna leave the saturation at 100%. Let's play around with the hue. Okay, let's put it up on my face right here so you guys can see it. This is so bright, man. It's going blue. So when it's ship color from like blue to red, it actually skips a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys. Not sure if you can see the skipping. Yeah, it does. but that's not a big thing. So it's got all the color spectrum as you should. How do I look? I am your father. And then we're gonna go to saturation. Okay. Let's turn it down a little bit to 60%. How'd I look, guys, with 60%? Anyways, flashlight. Oh, we're on the ambient now. That's the flashlight C. Now back to flashlight A. Okay, this is the ambient. I'll put some sound effect on this thing. Sound effect, let's go. Oh my God, I love this. So a lot of you guys out there are doing this to set up a scene like an ambient scene or a flashlight scene or whatnot. Me personally, I'm gonna try this ambient mode and the flashlight mode on RGB light painting a car, because as you know, I love RGB light painting. Hopefully we'll take the whole automotive industry light painting photography to the next level. The boys come in. Anyways, let's go through the mode. By the way, there's 4 little LEDs on the back of this thing. You guys probably can't see it now, but it light up and it shows you how many % battery is on. Oh, I think you guys can see it right there. Mine's on 3 out of 4, so we are at 75%. We're good to go. You switch it twice to go to hue and saturation, the color. This is the flashlight mode. And you click the flash, there's 4 different flashlight mode, and each one of those modes got about 3 different settings in there. Ah, this is what I wanted to light paint the car with. Oh, you guys, just press it twice. There's 3 different menu and sub-menu within those 3 different menus. You just press it twice on the M. You guys can see that, M. Oh, wow. This is gonna be a nice light painting thing for the car. My fiance just basically downloaded the application on the QR code, and the QR code is now giving us so many applications. I'll screenshot it and send it to you guys. Guys, I'm gonna have an in-depth review on this later, plus a whole bunch of light painting review. I'm just excited, so I put this out here first. I literally just got it in the mail. The mailman just came like 5 minutes ago. I think this is the Christmas tree mode, I guess. And guys, guess what? My brightness is only at 5%. Like, you wanna see this thing at like full freaking... Okay, that's probably at 100%. I'm turning blue. My natural color is coming out again, guys. I am a UFO pilot. You press it once to go to brightness. You press it twice to change mode. That's it. 3 menu. Man, I love this. I mean, and this is a 10,000 milliamp battery package over here, so I think this thing will last you guys like quite a good time. How's it going with the menu in the back, babe? Anyways, guys, we're gonna be light painting my friend's Lamborghini and a couple of Porsches with this new light painting stick. But you know, you guys can use it for fashion and everything else too. For me personally, it's automotive photography, and it's perfect grip in my hand. I feel like a Jedi. I'm gonna order another one today, maybe tomorrow. My wife, he doesn't kill me. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go play with my new toys and tell you guys all about this later. I think there's so much more that we don't know that we can do with this thing. Anyways, this is called the Luxceo. I think it's called sorry, guys. It is called a Luxceo P6. I think it might be available now by the time that this vlog is out. The QR code is on the back of this box, so you can get the QR code here. Anyways, I'm gonna go have fun with this stuff. Next vlog, we're gonna go light painting Lamborghinis and Ferraris with this lightsaber stick. I'm gonna give it a nickname. What nickname should I give this? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, guys.